Good morning, guys. Steve here with Cam Auto. Today we're going to tackle this beast. Cam Auto not only specializes in equipment and tabs and glue, we create and build everything in-house that make the lives of GPR, PDR, and auto body technicians' life faster and more efficient. We have great glue, yes, but our tabs are amazing. I'm going to show you today what's available on our website and how to digest this. First up, we have our Body Shop Tab Kit. Articulating head, angled design, great for 2 points of contact for your glue bed and bond, and this would go nicely on an edge. Next up in that 2-piece kit is this articulating hook head that has a massive surface area for pulling. This is our Cam Auto cold glue kit. It comes in a variety of sizes. It's made of aluminum for best adhesion for any cold glue on the market and will work with any slide hammer with a pass-through head. On this one, I have our Cam Auto cold glue. Next up is our multi-direction tab. Flexible, made with the beefy M6 studs and hooks. All right, let's talk about our 3D mini tabs in a variety of sizes and in 2 different materials. For the gray is more rigid and the black is more flexible. They use the M4 stud, which you can put a hook head of the M4 size or our disc head. A little flexible here, a lot more flexible here. This is our Cam Auto crease tabs. I have used, I think, every tab on the market available. And there is nothing in this world that has ever removed a crease so easily than this right here. The flat design and the newer tabs I'm going to go over in just a minute, but this tall spine allows, in conjunction with our crease feet that are offset and pin that metal down and give you more of a direct drive up pull. We've added one with more of a beveled bottom that will allow for a sharper, deeper crease in a variety of sizes. All right, next up is our Universal Crease Tab 24-piece kit. They come with a M4 stud, which is the smaller of the 2 studs, and are available to use with our M4 hook, head, or disc head. We have a straight, flexible, and again, 2 different size heads available to use on that with our crease tabs. These are the hardest pulling flat tabs you're ever going to find in a variety of sizes, height adjustable, available with our M4 stud, disc, and hook head. This is our universal adjustable tab, 24-piece, multiple face angled tabs available with our M4 hook and disc head. Here's a flatter bottom, corrugated, smaller, larger apex. Guys, if you aren't using these, you are missing out. These are 3D Cam Auto 8-piece kit. Comes with our beefy M6 stud and hook head. It comes in the single and 3-piece. The edges are designed to warm up and move up or down, hug, which is great for a rocker panel, or go up and fit a little deeper inside of that dent, creating an edge flex that will grip and pull. This is our 3D curved tab 8-piece kit in flexible, M4 disc head, stud, and hook head, or straight rigid with our M6 head for the heaviest pulling curved tabs on the market available. Marry those with our collision glues and you are going to come out a winner every time. In our flex tab segment, these are the big boys. Bendable in 1, 2, and 3, or multiple angles. Our flex tabs are a great addition to any kit. push from the back so you don't create an uneven bond. Very important. Guys, if you're running short because you're using these flex tabs all the time, we sell, in addition, a few more of these black hooks to go in there. I-bar tab kit. Comes in a variety of widths. You can use this with in a lateral direction with a hook, a ratchet strap. This should look familiar. This is coming through with our M4 head and flex tab sides.